Are you a money lover? So is money, business and management something that interests you? Don't be ashamed, we all like money, right? So having an interest in finance and accounting might make a good career choice for you if you study one. Hello and welcome to EduTrainX, your best buddy to guide you with study abroad or visa applications. I am Nandini Watts, and today in this video, I will be telling you about accounting and finance, the major fields in accounting and finance, what skills are needed in this field, a list of the top 10 universities in Australia for accounting and finance degrees. Watch the video till the end to know in detail about studying finance and accounting in Australia. So accounting and finance, what is it all about? See, the world of accounting and finance revolves around money. So its importance lies in providing update on the company's financial health. In reports, the company learns how it is progressing and what problems it might face in future. So it is common to group them together as the same field of study, but there are differences between the two areas of expertise, accounting and finance. So finance focuses only on the management of monetary funds of business, including assets and liabilities, and planning for future growth. On the other hand, accounting analyzes a wide range of information for a variety of aspects for a company. Now, accounting refers to the preparation, evaluation and management of financial records in businesses. Accounting degrees prepare students for specialized careers that typically involve analyzing and utilizing financial information to evaluate the financial position of businesses. So the topic of accounting can be further divided into specialized topics such as auditing, taxation, assessment, international accounting, forensic accounting, and management accounting. So a finance career typically involves managing current and future figures within a business, so making it slightly more lucrative than the accounting career. Further studies in finance include corporate finance, financial evaluation, behavioral finance, capital markets, investment management, and many others that can help you become more specialized in this area. So accounting and finance have only two major fields. However, universities offer a wide range of courses such as Bachelor of Accounting with Law, a Bachelor of Accounting and Entrepreneurship, a Bachelor of Finance and Management, a Bachelor of Finance and Program Marketing, etc. So there are some skills that will help you to stand out in an extremely competitive field like accounting and finance. Like ability to work with numbers. So the accounting and finance, as I already said, it's all about numbers, relies heavily on numerical skills. Accounting involves a lot of mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division most of the time, as well as a lot of accounting equations in different forms needed to prepare a balance sheet and the double entry system of accounting. The next is analytical approach to solving problems. An accountant solves problems by managing cash flow, collecting debts and improving business records, whereas a finance professional analyzes which markets and products are profitable and which products to sell in order to succeed. Next is communication skills, both in oral as well as written. So the accounting and finance industry is fast-paced and clear communication is very essential for productivity. So communicating effectively both orally and in writing is crucial to avoid miscommunication at network and increase productivity. Here is a list of the top 10 universities to study accounting, including some of the more affordable and high-quality programs. So this was part 1 of the video Study Finance and Accounting in Australia. Stay tuned for part 2 because in that video I will be telling you about the best places to study in Australia. Entry requirements and qualifications, course available in accounting, duration of the study program, job opportunities in this field, salary of accountants in Australia. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
With every passing day, more and more students are joining EduTrainX's highly successful PTE courses, which are very result-oriented yet inexpensive, which you can join from anywhere in the world and realize your dreams of studying or settling abroad. So if you're struggling with your English test requirements, join us today for guaranteed success.